Word. Microsoft Word is the company's long-standing word processing application, first released in the 1980s as part of the early Microsoft Office suite. It was designed to replace typewriters and make document creation easier on personal computers. Over time, it became the standard tool for writing letters, reports, books, and professional documents. What makes Word different is its deep formatting control, from simple text styling to complex layouts with tables, references, and tracked changes. It matters because it shaped how modern documents are created and shared in schools, businesses, and governments around the world. Excel. Microsoft Excel began as a spreadsheet program built to handle numbers, calculations, and structured data. It evolved from earlier spreadsheet concepts into a powerful grid-based system where each cell can contain data or formulas. Excel stands out because of its ability to perform complex calculations, analyze trends, and visualize information through charts and pivot tables. Over the years, it has become essential in finance, research, operations, and everyday budgeting. Its importance lies in turning raw numbers into meaningful insights that guide decisions. PowerPoint. PowerPoint was introduced to help people present ideas visually during meetings and lectures. It replaced physical slides and overhead projectors with digital slide decks that combine text, images, animations, and video. What makes it different is its focus on storytelling through visuals rather than long written documents. Businesses use it to pitch ideas, teachers use it to explain lessons, and students use it to present projects. It matters because it changed how information is communicated in group settings, making presentations more structured and visually engaging. Outlook. Microsoft Outlook is an email and calendar application designed to manage communication and scheduling in one place. It grew from earlier email clients and became central to corporate communication. Outlook is different because it combines email, calendar, contacts, and task management within a single system. In professional environments, it connects to company servers and organizes meetings, reminders, and shared calendars. Its importance comes from helping teams coordinate time, conversations, and responsibilities efficiently. OneNote. OneNote is Microsoft's digital notebook application created to capture ideas in a flexible, free-form space. Unlike traditional word processors, it allows users to click anywhere on a page and start typing, drawing, or inserting media. It feels closer to a physical notebook, but with search, syncing, and multimedia support. Students, researchers, and professionals use it to organize notes, brainstorm, and collect information. It matters because it supports unstructured thinking while still keeping everything searchable and organized. OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service developed as online storage became essential in the internet era. It allows users to store files on remote servers instead of only on a local device. What sets it apart is its deep integration with other Microsoft 365 apps, enabling automatic saving and real-time collaboration. Files stored in OneDrive can be accessed from different devices and shared easily. Its importance lies in making work portable and collaborative across locations. Teams. Microsoft Teams is a communication and collaboration platform built to bring chat, video meetings, and file sharing together. It was introduced as remote work, and digital collaboration became more common. Teams differs from traditional email by focusing on organized channels and live conversations. It integrates directly with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft services, allowing teams to work on documents during meetings. It matters because it supports modern workplace communication, especially in distributed and hybrid environments. SharePoint. SharePoint is a web-based platform for managing and sharing organizational content. Originally developed as a document management and intranet system, it allows companies to build internal websites and control access to information. What makes it different is its focus on structured collaboration at a company-wide level rather than individual file sharing. It helps teams manage documents, workflows, and permissions securely. Its role is significant because it supports large-scale information management within organizations. Access. Microsoft Access is a database management system designed for creating and handling structured databases without requiring advanced programming knowledge. It combines a graphical interface with a relational database engine. Access stands apart because it allows users to build forms, queries, and reports that connect to organized data tables. Small businesses and departments often use it to manage inventories, records, or tracking systems. It matters because it brings database capabilities to users who may not be professional developers.